Registration fee setup is an important task in configuring your Alinity application. Registration fees are used by Alinity on invoices generated automatically for members and applicants. While most fees are associated with registration functions like renewal, reinstatement, and applications, you can also use these features to create prices for merchandise and other ad hoc services if you offer them. There are two key processes involved with configuring fees: creating the catalog item that represents the fee, and associating it with the register. This video deals with creating the fee in your catalog. For information about associating fees with registers, watch the next video in this series. When setting up fees and catalog items, Alinity will prompt you to enter general ledger account codes to record the revenue and tax amounts you will be collecting. Use the general ledger setup option to establish the account codes in advance of configuring fees. The first step in creating a fee is creating the catalog item for it. Everything you charge for, whether it's a fee, a fine, or even physical merchandise, will be an item in your catalog. Alinity comes with a few basic fees out of the box that you can edit to match your own needs, or you can create new items. For this video, we will create an item from scratch. The item name is how you will recognize the fee when selecting it later. It should be something descriptive and concise. You may have different application fees for different registers or sections within a register. For example, international applicants may be charged a different amount than local graduates, so make sure you clearly differentiate between the fee names. You also need to make sure you select the appropriate general ledger account for the collected fees. We've got our revenue account set as our default, and that's correct, so we'll leave that be. The invoice description is what appears on invoices. This is a member-facing field, so make sure the item is easily recognizable. Of course, don't forget to set a price. Fees are generally tax deductible, so we'll toggle that option on, but they aren't physical merchandise available in online stores, so we'll leave that one toggled off. If the item is meant to be a late fee, you can turn that option on. The sequence identifies the order the item will appear in when displaying on invoices. The lower the item's sequence number, the higher it appears on the invoice. We want an application fee to appear before items like administrative fees, so we'll set this pretty low. The effective date marks when the item will be available for the system to use, so don't worry if you're creating a renewal fee but your renewal window isn't open yet. For now, just set today's date. Remember to toggle the GST and PST buttons to reflect the correct sales tax implications, if any, and then save the item. It now appears in the catalog list, and since we now know how to make items, we're going to create the rest of our fees now, including a renewal fee, a late fee, and a reinstatement fee. Now that we have all our fees in the catalog, it's time to start associating them with our registers. To learn more about the next step of the process, watch the next video in this series. And as always, for more information on creating catalog items in Alinity, or to set up a free demonstration, contact us at info@softworksgroup.com or visit our website at www.softworksgroup.com/Alinity.